Today, making a great trade recap. This momentum trading strategy recap will improve your trading skills to the next level. As you know, practice is everything when it comes to trading. I hope you enjoy it. Let's start now. Let's talk about this magnificent coin called Saga. Today we had at least 4 or 5 amazing coins. I do not know where to begin. However, I will focus on this coin because it is extremely educational. As usual, we will start from the weekly. The buyer interest started back then with the swing failure pattern. Then this weekly market structure broke with this gigantic imbalance. And then a small pullback to the imbalance pushed the rally forward. Now, all this gives good information about the buyers and their willingness to push this coin higher and higher. However, as day traders, we are more concerned about closer price action. So this previous weekly high was our daily target. Now, the daily chart did not offer so much value, I had to skip it. But the weekly was telling me everything that I ever needed for the bias. Okay, as you know from the masterclass, momentum chart is the most important layout ever. Notice how the earlier first rally started by using triple imbalances. Price basically supercharged. Then it follows the exactly same pattern one more time with 3 imbalances, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and the 1 hour time frame. Price pulls back and then supercharges to hunt the previous weekly high. It is our classic strategy. Let's focus on lower time frames and the entry. First of all, I have opened the 1 minute time frame with momentum layout together so you can see and understand what is happening better. Notice the supercharged imbalance area from the momentum layout. And now focus on the 1 minute time frame. Do you see how precisely where the rally started? Plus, what do we have here? Again, a spectacular support and resistance flip area. As you already know, SR flips make every other price action strategy much more powerful and stronger. Let's get closer to the 1 minute time frame. Do you see how the liquidity is gathering right below the previous week high? This is a very classic smart money tactic. Extra liquidity gathering right below an important institutional level or the high time frame imbalances. You can see the little snapshot from my masterclass on the bottom left. This stuff keeps happening daily. Now, let's get even closer to talk about the entry. Actually, the rest is easy. Market structure breaks, creates an imbalance, and a very nice 2-hour clean trade. I hope everything is very clear by now. We just made a full top-down analysis. As usual, please focus on 2-3 hour setups. Get what you need and exit from the market. The rest of the movement is just a fantasy. Enter, get your money, exit. Keep repeating this small process. Now, as you can see, where we entered is the sniper point actually. I did not see and used any other strategy out there finding the rally starting points like our momentum trading strategy. However, never ever forget this. No one in the world knows what will or may happen the next. Okay folks, a fresh start to the new week. Please take care and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.